Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to Housey. This is your host Jetal and today we'll be doing the project overview of VBHC Aurora by VBHC Value Home, which is located right here in Yelahanka North, Bangalore. And right now we are here on the actual site and this will be the main entrance of our project. And the land parcel is here itself. Now about the marketing office. So they have their marketing office right over the site in 100 meters in first floor of Emerald Tower. Now let me introduce you all with Housey. So Housey is nothing but India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developers, thereby giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers resulting in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry now because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now in this video, we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built-up area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. Now let's discuss about the project overview with the help of beautiful miniature. And the project is spread across 1.25 acre of land parcel consisting of single tower with 2 basement ground plus 19 floor. It's one of the tallest tower in Yelahanka giving you GKVK view. Project offers 72 boutique homes with 3 BHK and 3.5 BHK homes where 3.5 BHK are completely sold out. Now about the location part, and the project is located in Attur layout in Yelahanka North, Bangalore. So let me show you the neighborhood of our project, and this will be the main entrance of our project. And basically this road will take you towards Doddaballapura main road and the other side road will connect you towards Yelahanka main road. Now we'll be discussing about the further connectivity and the location part. You can connect your DMart in just 1.3 kilometers from the project. Navachetna Hospital is 2 kilometers away and the Galleria Mall is 3.1 kilometers away from the project. Now let's discuss about the amenities part, and the project offers you luxurious world-class amenities like of a landscape garden, sitting pavilion, kids play area, 10,000 square feet of grand clubhouse, and even you'll be getting infinity pool which is on the rooftop and many more amenities. Now let's discuss about the super built up area, and as mentioned the project offers you 3 BHK and 3.5 BHK where 3.5 BHK is completely sold out. So 3 BHK starts from 1621 and goes up to 1704 square feet super built up area. And now about the booking process. So as mentioned earlier, the marketing office is in the Emerald Tower floor number 1. So here's the Emerald Tower and on the floor number 1 you'll be getting the marketing office. And currently the project booking window is open now and we are inviting all our interested clients to come and visit our project where our sales team will explain the complete project detail. We'll show you the actual land parcel as well, and then if clients like the project they can proceed for the booking. So everyone, this was the complete overview of VBHC Aurora by VBHC Value Home located in Yelahanka North, Bangalore.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.